Hey, what's up everyone? This is Bulji from JK. Welcome on my channel. Today I'm in my garage and I have this life source water system for my house. And I have a filter. It's been a year already since I have replaced this filter, and I believe this. I was reading instruction. It says we have to replace filter every year, and basically what I do, I clean every 6 months, then I replace after year. So filter goes here, and I have a filter already. It's gonna go inside. It's about like 18-inch long. So we will be following some steps and replace this filter. So first thing, this filter has water running through. As you can see, the main water line coming through here goes in. It says a flow. Then it's gonna go inside, then come back this side. And here is a little motor and the timer, which one time to time it's just bleeding out water and drain outside and drain. So basically that's the way, because it's gonna keep running. If any buildup here or calcium or something, it's gonna drain through here. You see, it's gonna go in. So there's a timer. I believe every like 2 hour, 1 hour. I'm not sure exactly, but I have seen a couple times it happen. So now we're gonna replace this filter. For this one, I don't have any shutdown water valve here, so I cannot shut down. So I have to shut down main water line. I'm gonna go outside, the water coming into my house, I'm gonna shut down. So here is main line coming from my well, motor pump and everything. And that's the shutdown valve. I'm gonna shut down here. So then I have to release some pressure. I can release here, or I can go in my, I have a sink here. I'm gonna release some water. It's gonna take maybe a couple of minutes. I'm gonna drain all the waters. Once water stop, then we're gonna open that filter. It will still have some water inside. To install new filter, we have to remove this plastic. It's in a plastic. It's made with like some kind of screen materials like sponge. I bought it online. So now I have this tool came with already. It was here, so I'm gonna release. I have to remove it here. Just go. I have to use my both hands. Whenever we opening, there's gonna be still some water, so I'm not worried about it because I have a little concrete floor. It'll be okay. So we gotta go clockwise. And it's got loose already now. There we go. I'm gonna dump all water here. So that's the old filter. You can see the color. I'm gonna wash this one. Once I washed it, we'll install this filter. It's pretty simple. It doesn't matter which way you go. You can put it like that. There's something in the middle. It goes here in the middle. So we're gonna put this one in tight, counterclockwise. We'll use the same tool. Already be done. I'm gonna go back, turn the water on, and we will check. So water is on already. I'm gonna clean up this one and just make sure there's no leaking. Okay, I'm gonna clean this floor. So our filter is done already and there's no leak. Everything goes well. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Meet you in next video with a new topic.